Today I'm super excited to share with you one of my favorite Ghanaian snacks, Adaakwa or spicy peanut balls. If you've never tried this before, then you are in for a treat because it's so easy to make and absolutely delicious. So if you're excited for this video, let's get right into it. To make this, you'll need some roasted corn flour. You can get this from the market or make it yourself. Measure about 1 cup into a bowl. Now to bring in those rich and warm flavors, I'm going to add some spices to this. So here I'm going in with some ginger, cloves and chili pepper. Make sure they're in powdered form so they mix in evenly. Next I'm adding in a pinch of fine salt and some powdered sugar to bring in that sweet component and also balance the flavor. Give everything a good mix, and just like that, our dry base is ready. We are going to set this aside for now. The full list of ingredients and their measurements will be provided in the description box, so do well to check that out. Now in another bowl, I'm going to transfer some peanut paste into that. And this is what is going to bind everything together. Next, gradually mix in the dry base with the peanut paste and make sure to stir everything well until evenly combined. I like to use my hands for this to make sure everything is evenly mixed. Make sure your hands are clean before you also go in with that. Once it's nicely mixed, it's time to shape our Adaakwa. I'm going to lightly oil my palms, then scoop about a tablespoon of the mixture, gently press that together in my palms and roll it into a smooth ball. Repeat this process until all the mixture is beautifully shaped into these round balls. And just like that, our delicious Adaakwa is ready to be enjoyed. This snack is so tasty, slightly crunchy and packed with that nutty spice flavor. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear how yours turned out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.